Ignore the giraffe. What's that? Cargo. Oh, then there's another one in the train.
Yeah, that's the one I actually hit in the train.
That's funny. When I said that the green one was a good spot, I didn't realize you had one in the train. Hey, Will. Do you see in the wreckage any eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, you see some eggs, all right. Do you see any eggs that aren't in a basket? I believe you need to invert your search criteria, sir.
Will.
Hey, Muffin. Muffin. Do you see any eggs like this? Alright, how about this? I have a plan. It's a monkey.
Yeah. That's a bigger monkey.
He won't fit in the egg.
Oh, is he gonna try to put... Okay. Thought he was gonna try to put the egg back together with the big monkey in it.
I think he might. No.
Oh no. Hey, do you have a monkey? Look at that. You got a monkey in your
muncher.
mouth.
Monkey muncher.
Is he good to chew on?
Hey, Will.
Oh, I've got it turned off right now.
Does he see the egg at all?
Hey, Will, look. There's another egg. You think there might be a toy in that egg? We could shake it and find out.
He was trying to get
Shake
in
the egg. Yeah. Oh, you hear something in it, don't you?
Here, bring it here, Muffin. Daddy will open it for you. Mommy's good.
Good boy. Yeah, and then just put it right back. That's good. Now let's get the let's get the egg. Goofus. He's like, I found it. I put it back in there. It looked like it's gonna fall.
Hey, Will. Will.
Oh, that's slobber.
That one had something inside, too.
Is that a big lion? Is that a dinosaur? I think it's a dinosaur. 'Cause I think they're all reptiles.
No, it's some sort of saber tooth.
Oh, I see. He likes the pieces of eggs.
I think this one isn't much of a reptile either.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I mean, he's not the most compassionate guy I know, but I think Reptile's a little uncalled for.
I'm putting the egg back together.
Well.
In fact, they've all been mammals so far.
This is true. It's a bat, yeah. What do we think is in here? Well, mammal or reptile? Neither.
It's a rock.
Close.
What qualifies as a no, it's a bird. Some sort. It's one of those in-between ones.
Yeah.
And I think that one's got 2.
Nope, just one. Turtle, turtle, turtle.